Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So come along with me in this journey of wealth. I've been talking about the Ash method a lot, and in this channel, I want to talk to you about what the Ash method is. I will tell you the history behind it and how the Ash method became such a popular method. The Ash method is popular because it has helped many others to accumulate, save, and buy their first house so that they can faster reach that dream house of theirs, travel the world in style, and become financially independent, retire early. I hope you continue watching this video so that you can reap these benefits as well. The Ash method started out as Angus and Sally Housing Management. Now that we're married, it's more like Angus and Sally Ho Housing Management. I made a small video about this and you can view it here. We are a new company running for 4 years now with over $3 million in managed assets. We are growing and growing fast. If you're in the Calgary area or just curious, you can find our website in the description down below. Now I want to go over some of the meanings of ash. The ash tree is a Fraxinus genus within the olive family of woody plants. Ash trees grow predominantly in Europe, Asia, and America. Ashes are deciduous trees, which means that individual trees contain either male or female parts, but not both. There are approximately 13 species of ash trees. 3rd Street and Ash Ave, my childhood house, is where I grew up with my grandma and my dad. It is on the intersection of 3rd Street and Ash Avenue. Coincidence, or was this supposed to happen all along? I think the name Ash was meant to be. Do you know what time it is? It's time to smash that like button because the dislike trolls are attacking. Hurry! Hit that like button! There's no time to waste! Alright, thanks for the help. If you couldn't help this time, it's okay. I'm sure there will be another attack coming soon. So now that you know the history of Ash, how did we coin the Ash method? We get asked a lot about our success and how we got to where we are now. We have mentored many people from all ages, from 18 years old to people getting their first home, whether it be 22 years old, fresh out of university, to 30-year-olds. They always have the same one question: how do you do it? The answer is always the same: to save and invest. So we came up with the Ash method, the same name as our company, to help other people remember the discipline, being consistent, and the hard work needed to become rich. The Ash method is designed such that no matter where you are in life, you can start now. Look at me. I'm just an everyday dad, budgeting and working hard as an engineer, trying to stay out of debt, until I discovered the Ash method to strategically invest my money in the stock market and real estate. So does it work? Heck yes! Many people have followed the regimen, and pulled through with it. They are now moving on to the next houses. Are there failures? Of course. Many people give up after a few months, get distracted, or get cold feet and never get started. Now, the choice is up to you, whether you follow the Ash method to keep going, or if you find it too tough and just give up on it. Like the great Morpheus has said, I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it.
But I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it.
If you do decide to follow the Ash method, these are some of the benefits. You will build the habits of successful people. You will start to think like the 1%. That sounds pretty cool, right? If you follow the Ash method, not only will you take the first step into your FIRE journey, but you will be one step closer to that goal, to being financially independent with that passive income. The Ash method also will boost your confidence in whatever you're doing, whether it be your day job. You would be able to take bolder risks. because you know you're much more financially secure. In an article, I researched being successful will give you inner harmony. Your mind will be at peace with everything, even the pet peeves you used to have. Successful people will also become role models. They become real life examples to others who want to emulate them. That is exactly what I'm doing today with this YouTube channel. Another thing that successful people get is healthier relationships. A man is defined by the number of relationships he holds rather than his wealth. This YouTube channel that I've started isn't about reaching monetization, but to share with you and the world what I have learned and my struggle and my accomplishments. The last benefit is that you can become someone like me, managing $3 million in assets, traveling the world with my wife every year, and becoming 80% plus of the way there to becoming millionaires. If this is a life you want, or something that is similar, then start with the ASH method. I hope that you will take the ASH method seriously and start today. Take control of your future now. Join me at the Daddy Debt Facebook group to talk about your finance questions. Ask the YouTube community your questions by commenting below. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment for what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Debt, saving you money.